go.
Sounds like a delivery.
Yeah.
Going on, guys? As always, welcome to MGA Drive and welcome to another video. So today we're going to be doing an install video on my Yaris, and today what have we got? We have got a brand new airbox all the way from Italy, from PIRAS Motorsport. Look at that, guys, absolutely beautiful, finished, amazing. All the R&D, all the hard work that has gone into it. I'm super excited to get this installed into my Yaris. And it's nice to also see something different on the market compared to all the usual airboxes out there that cost an absolute bomb. All right, so before we install it, I thought I'd give you guys a bit of a close-up on the airbox, just to show and appreciate how nice this airbox is actually finished. What I love about it is the simplicity. It's nothing too over the top. There's no carbon fiber bits. It's just simple to go with the GR engine. Just like how it's finished. So like I said, we're going to get it installed, but there it is there, like the little touch here with PIRAS Motorsport, the little badge there as well too. I like how they've done the clips here. The MAF sensor goes in there. Look how huge that is too, guys, absolutely massive. It's got two clips here, very simple. The most important thing here, look how big this is. All that air is going to be basically rushing through there straight into the engine. Very simple. So we're going to take the old airbox out right now. I ain't going to bore you guys too much with taking this one out. It's more about installing the new one and seeing what it actually goes like, and just hearing those sounds, more air, which is very important into the turbo. Hopefully better fuel economy as well too. So let's do it. Alright guys, that wasn't too bad to remove. If anything, it took a little bit longer, sort of all these clips on the original airbox. Probably the biggest thing I'd have to say is the most important when you're taking off that sensor. Be very careful, do not damage it. I've got it here. It's pretty easy. It's got a little tab sort of just to remove, and it just pops off. So we'll just pop that to the side because we are going to be using this with the two little screws as well too. Here we've got the actuator, which is going to be staying on. This is part of the original airbox that comes on your Yaris. One thing I did forget to mention in the box from PIRAS Motorsports as well too is we get 4 zip ties, some cool little badges here as well too. So what we'll be doing with those zip ties, once we get that airbox, the new one, in place, we're going to find a spot for the actuator to go on, and we'll zip tie that down somewhere here neatly out of the way, because we're going to be leaving all those hoses and everything else attached. But I'm pretty sure this flute here of your Yaris needs to come off as well too, because the front of the new airbox is basically going to sit in front of this opening here. As you can see from the front of your apron here, you can kind of see it. So I'm pretty sure, we'll see how we go, that needs to come off. Also too, there is a clip here, looks like it's also part of your light. We'll have a look at that. I've just taken that off for now. All right, guys and girls, you can kind of see there the brackets with those rubber lugs. If you do kind of push down, not too hard, they will go in. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, they're all sitting in place. And then you can see how this kind of sits all flush and all neat. Now that little lug that was holding up that wire, which I was pretty sure that it was for the light, that is just sitting at the bottom here. That needs to be removed because otherwise it's going to be in the way. But as you can see, the front bit has been done. Just got to put the back bit on now. Alright guys, so it's all installed. It's looking pretty good. So the sensor here, the MAF sensor, that is all been buttoned up as well too. I've just put a zip tie here to make it look OEM as possible. And as well here too, I've had to use those zip ties down here. We've actually blocked off this hose here. We've actually kinked it, put a zip tie around it, and same here. Now it's up to you guys how you guys want to use this hose here, or how you guys want to direct it. If you guys want it coming around this way, I did mine at the back. Like I said, I've got some zip ties here and here. It looks pretty neat. All right, guys, she's all done. I just want to say a massive thank you to PIRAS Motorsport in Italy. Got to say, really happy with the airbox for the GR Yaris. It probably roughly took me around anywhere between 30 to 40 minutes. If you're not mechanically minded, it is fine. It is an easy job. Just take your time. Make sure that you line all the pieces. Just little things like your sensors. Just be very delicate, very careful. Get it all lined up, get it all buttoned up. And yeah, what can I say? It is simple, easy to install. All right, no check engine light on the dash. Seems to be nothing coming up, which is great. And good morning, guys. And literally this is the first drive after installing the airbox on the GR Yaris. So every noise, every sound, every feeling, what we feel, we'll be doing that together. Kind of lost a little bit of time last night when I was putting that airbox in. It was getting a little bit on the late side, and I thought I've got to get up early this morning. Believe it or not, the Yaris, the GR this morning, is going in for a service. I guess kind of good timing, heading off for a service and also seeing what this airbox sounds like. All right. Yeah, it might not come up on the camera. Okay, definitely a lot more induction noise. You can hear a bit of a flutter there as well too. With the turbo, but look, car's still cold, temps aren't up, so I don't want to sort of get on it too much. Definitely I can hear some difference, put it that way. Yep, definitely a lot more boost, a lot more induction sound, and massive response. As soon as you do get on it, it's like a big whoosh. So definitely a lot more responsive. So far, really happy with it. So just one more thing as well too before we wrap up this video. So just in regards to those hoses that you did see on the footage on the camera when we were taking out the old airbox and then installing the new airbox. So that actuator, those grey hoses, there's one long continuous hose and there's also a short hose. So with that short hose, what I ended up doing was kinking that short hose and zip tying it off, so that way it's actually closed. That's going to remain closed. So if you are installing this airbox, make sure you do kink that hose. It's very important. But yeah, super important, guys. Like I said, I end up zip tying, buttoning up everything. Really happy with it, the fitment, the whole thing. So I wanted to say a massive thank you to AJ, PIRAS Motorsport, all the way from Italy, for this airbox. Really happy with it. So guys, we're going to wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's good to be back on the channel. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. We will be making more videos. It is great to be back. But as always, guys, thanks for watching, and definitely catch you guys on the next one. See you guys. Thank you. Bye.